Hi guys, if you have never heard of DTF transfers, connect into factory will show you what they look like and how they.
DTF stands for direct film, and they are printed with our factory DTF printer on this plastic sheet. So here I am cutting my images.
As the next step, we'll put them on the shirt. We recommend to start with the press time of 15 seconds at 150 degrees. Now this is a cool peel. So after you're done pressing, make sure to let it cool completely. Before you peel away the plastic sheet, peel slowly. And check to make sure that all of the pieces of your design are adhering well. These designs are so cute. If you want to know more details about the DTF printer, please contact us. Bye bye.